In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Uplander key fob. You can replace your battery at home. You don't need any special tools, and you certainly don't need to bring your key fob all the way down to the dealership to get it done. The only things you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, make sure you go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to an Amazon listing of these batteries for a great price. So check that out if you're interested. And one thing to note is that there's a different version of this device that has just 3 buttons. Most of you probably have this 3-button version that doesn't have the trunk. Doesn't matter which version you have. They are the same device, just with a different button layout, and the process to open them is going to be the same, and the battery they take is the same as well. So just follow along with this video and we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. So all we need to do is find on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the key ring attaches, find that opening. There's a little indentation that is along the seam. Just take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that opening, kind of wiggle it in there, and once it is stuck, you can just hold the device loosely and twist your screwdriver until this thing starts to open up, and then just pry it open with your fingers. Don't worry if the circuit board comes falling out. That's actually what we want. That's going to make it easier to slide the battery right out. So if you open it and you see it like this, which is probably more common for most of you, just go ahead and lift up on the battery to pull this thing right out. Now, when handling this, just hold it on the sides. You don't want to touch these small components too much. And what we want to do is just pull the battery right out. Just slide it out of there. Now, dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery, again, is a CR2032. And when you put it in there, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing up. So just slide that battery into the metal component, positive side up, and push it all the way in. And now we can just put it back together. So grab the front of your device that has this rubber inside and just drop the circuit board in there and push it down so that it sits flat with the battery facing up. And now we can just take the back section of plastic, line it up on there, and just squeeze it back together. And there you go. You have a new battery in your device and you're good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. And thank you for watching. If you liked that video, you can always let me know down in the comments or just by giving the video a like. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here. We've got you covered with videos for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also go check us out at our website where you can get all this information and more. And that site is FobBattery.com.